This video is going to show you how to add labels to your territories. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a map. Alright, and then once we've opened up our map, we're going to want to either add territories if we haven't already, and if we have, we'll click over here in this drop-down menu and select Label. Now, in the light box that appears, we're going to have an option to select what we want to be visible in the label. So the first thing we have is the name. Because we're using territories, that's the only option that we have. So we'll click OK. And then here we have an option to check a box that will determine whether or not the column name will also appear. So in this case, it would say name, colon, the state name. And so I'm not going to put that on there, so I'll uncheck that box. Then I have the option to change the text color as well as the text font, whether or not it's bold or italicized, how it's aligned, and then the sizing of the font. I can change the border color, the border radius, and the border thickness as well. And then I can also change the background color and the padding of the background. So first what we'll do is we'll select a text color. So I'm going to leave this as red. Then for the border color, I'm going to come over here to custom, and I'm going to make this a white border. Alright, and then once I do that, then I'm going to leave the background color as is. I'll change the border thickness just a little bit and increase the padding a tiny bit, and then click OK. And there you go. Now we have the labels applied within our territories to easily differentiate one from another. And that's how easy it is to add labels to your territories in Mapline.